Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina and today we are going to be talking about how to be mesmerizing, how to be hot, how to be a bad really how to be that girl. So let's get right into the video. So we're going to break it down into two different categories, external and internal, and then just kind of go from there. To be mesmerizing, to be hot, to be that girl, to really just level up who you are. And keep watching this video is for you. First, I would say physical. You have to be a perfectionist to your imperfections. Now, I know it sounds a little shallow, however, it's pretty deep when you think about it. So whatever it is about yourself that you don't like or that you would like to improve or enhance, you have the ability to do that. It's your body, it's your choice. So I'm just gonna kind of go through the different categories. I would say number one is skincare. So I know me personally, I did not always have clear skin. I used to have acne and it was on my cheeks, and I also have discoloration. So I just have to really understand my skin. I have very sensitive skin, I'm prone to scarring, and my skin is very dry. So if you have that type of skin, then you need hydrating products. If you're more of an oily, high inflammation type of person, then you don't need hydrating products. You actually need to be making sure that your face is clean most of the time and putting light moisturizers on, doing the research, and also making sure that you're getting quality products. Sometimes the cheapest route isn't the best route because the ingredients that they use are synthetic. So if you want the best results, sometimes you have to spend a little bit more so that you can really get what you're trying to target. That was me perfecting my imperfection. Another thing is makeup. I wear makeup because makeup is an enhancement. So if you have an imperfection, or if you want to like look more awake during the day, put some concealer on. You can put some concealer or foundation on, but all of that will make your physical more attractive, more inviting, more presentable, and in return, you will feel hot and other people will think you are as well. How you eat is also a big part of how you feel, how you look. You can be eating something and then you're wondering why your skin is inflamed, or you can be eating something and you wonder why your stomach hurt, and in return you're not going to feel good. So in return you're not going to be hot, you're not going to be attractive because you don't feel good. You don't even feel good. So I would say your diet is also very, 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 very important. I don't eat things that I know I'm gonna look like a crunch bar afterwards. I just don't. I don't eat things where it's like my stomach's gonna be twisted and twirling like a Twizzler. Absolutely not. That also goes in with clothes and fragrance. So you don't only want to just look good, but you want the clothes you wear to flatter your body type. So that, again, it's just trial and error. Whatever it is that is your style, I would say own it. Your uniqueness is your greatness. So again, go with things that flatter your body. Go with things that are also comfortable, but also you want to look good, because when you look good, you feel good, but you also want to smell good. So yes, you look good, but then when you walk past somebody, you smell good too. So getting into fragrances, trying out which notes fit your body better. Like, I show my fragrances because I know that the fragrance I'm wearing is not going to smell the same on you, because we have different body chemistry, we have different pheromones. So I'm not afraid to like share my perfume. I hate when people, I gatekeep. It's like, it's not going to smell the same on the next person. So again, you want to look good, you want to smell good, you want to make sure your clothes, your hair, like hair needs to be on point. So again, there's a whole bunch of YouTube videos on how to do your hair. I have YouTube videos for natural hair, for wigs. So make sure y'all look at that as well. If you can't do it yourself, then invest in others doing it for you. Invest in artists doing it for you. I also just want to throw in the dental as well. I know my teeth is crooked. Yes, they are, but they're white. They're clean. I have to remind myself to smile, right? Because I just be talking and then I don't smile, but and I'm trying to make sure I ain't got no red on my lips. But anyway. Yeah, dental. Make sure you brush your teeth. Like, you don't just want to look good and then when you speak, your teeth is all, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, when I say you got to be a perfectionist to your imperfections, you have to like really go down the list of everything about yourself, right? And then two, like, if you look at the person that you're attracted to, most of the time you're attracted to them because of how they look, right? So You don't want somebody just walking around looking crazy, looking dirty, smelling bad. So in return, if you want somebody that, you know, takes care of themselves, you also have to be a person that takes care of themselves. That includes your dental, how you smell, how you look, your hair, skin, everything. Accessorizing, I also just want to add that in too. Elevate your level. It can make something basic look more elegant, or it can make it look more intriguing. You know, your jewelry don't gotta be real. So it ain't gotta be real. It ain't nobody business. Ain't nobody gonna check you about it either. So accessorize, wear earrings, rings on your finger. Like, see which one do you like best. Do you like gold or do you like silver? What are your undertones, right? Experimenting. And then as you do that, you build your own style and you own your own style. So when you walk into a room, you come as you are and no one else is like you, because you know that you went down the checklist, you did everything that you were supposed to do. So in return, you do have that confidence. Like, okay, I could walk in this room and I know I look good and they know I look good. So we're all good on one accord, okay? Next, I want to talk about mental and wellness. So yes, you can be pretty, but your energy also has to be pretty. So if you're out, do girls come up to you? Do they compliment you? Do they want to party with you? Do they want to invite you to their section? You know, when you go out, are guys complimenting you? You know, like, how do you feel about yourself when you look yourself in the mirror? That all has to do with your aura and your mental and your internal. You aren't a hater, number one. So you don't hate on other people. I think also with the mental, it's how do you speak to yourself, right? Like, I look myself in the mirror and I'm like, say all these affirmations, and I repeat it, I instill it in my head. So how is your self-talk? Do you talk badly about yourself? Are you your biggest critic? Meditating or having some type of practice where you are cleansing your energy, where you are just present. People that are confident, people that, you know, can walk in a room by themselves, can sit by themselves, can walk with their head up. I think that also is attractive, right? You have to have a high self-esteem. What are you doing when others aren't watching? Do you have integrity? So it comes from trusting yourself. It comes from you knowing what you have to offer, you completing different tasks, and that gives you the confidence that you can do this, you have completed it. So therefore, you have confidence, you have trust in yourself. And if you don't have the high self-esteem, like we all have been there, there's been times where everyone, you know, even me, I have not had the highest self-esteem. But you know what I did? I did the inner work. You know what I did? I went to go seek a therapist. You know what I did? I talked to a therapist. So go seek help. Go talk to a therapist to get your mental right, to get your self-esteem right. You know, try different hobbies and different skills. And as you complete things, as you create things, then that in turn will give you more confidence, because you can see what you have created, see what you have brought into fruition. And so even something as simple as having a checklist throughout the day, as you check off the different tasks, that in return will give you confidence that you are able to complete tasks during the day, that you are able to conquer your day, that you are able to set something out and do it. It always looked like this. This came from practice. Like, my hair came from practice, my makeup, you know, my style and everything. So it's all practice. It's all trial and error. But if you're watching this video right now, you are taking the first step. You are learning, you are researching. Now it's just applying what you're researching with action. Make sure you are dotting your T's. Dotting your I's, crossing your T's. You're full of yourself. So in return, other people are going to be intrigued about who you are. And so when they do come up to you, you can let them know. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all next time. Bye, y'all.